Hey, what's up, guys? Just on my way to the range. I got the day off work today. I went to do security clearance for a different thing, but it went quicker than expected, so now I got a free day. So I'm gonna go to the range. Maybe I'll take a video while I'm there. I don't know. Bringing the HMR Pro 6.5. Got a new bipod. Yesterday it came in the mail, so we're gonna test it out, see how that goes. So show you guys some groups, give you a little range report. See you in a bit. Number 4. So we're getting some decent groups so far. I think I'm at 8 groups at 100 yards. I'm happy with it. Wish I could tighten them up a little bit more, but that's always the goal, right? I want them all touching. So I'll bring you guys with me and check out the target at 100, and then we'll go to 200. See you soon. Here's my 100-yard target. There's one. That was the first shot. Cold bore. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I pulled that guy. 7, 8, and 9. Alright, so I just shot a couple 200. 1, 2, 3, but I'll call it 3.5 because I started aiming at a different dot. So 2 of the groups are a little wonky so far, and 2 are okay. So we're gonna keep shooting, and hopefully they all get over. Well, that was fun. Good way to kill a couple hours. Overall, pretty happy with my groupings today. Sorry, I'm driving up this bumpy road here, a little shaky. Could have been better. Some were good, some were okay. I'd like to be more consistent, but that's me. The gun shoot's great. I didn't shoot my best groups ever today at 100 or 200, but yeah, still happy. Sub MOA all day. Pretty much every group was sub MOA, except for the little mess up I had at 200 where I was aiming at the wrong one, but we won't count that one. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna pull out here. I'll get home and then I'll show you guys the targets and go over everything. Pretty happy with the bipod. One thing that I need to change, that was kind of an issue, but I'll go over that in a minute. See you soon. Almost forgot to tell you the name of the bipod. Idiot. It's an Accutac BR4 QD. Accutac. Hey guys, I made it home. Made a quick pit stop at the dog park today after my hard day of shooting. So Murphy was happy. Sorry about the lighting in here, it kind of sucks, but wanted to go over my targets with you. So I had these set up sideways like this. So I started up here and kind of just worked my way around. So as you can see, everything except this first group is pretty good. Oh, and this guy over here had a flyer. That was a 5-shot group. But that was the first shot, so that's the cold bore. So I'm blaming that. And then here's my 200-yard groups. And actually the first one I shot was my best one. That's a 3-shot group. And then down here is what I was talking about. I think I was aiming at this one originally, and then I started aiming here, and then it got all messed up, so I don't know what those are. And then it's 3-shot groups around, so as you can see, not too bad. Let's say about 1.5 inches to 1 inch. Pretty much all these groups at 200 yards, so definitely sub MOA, so I'm happy. And I wanted to show you guys my bipod, and I guess I'll just take you up close and go over what I think ticked me off a little bit about it. It's a great bipod, but this one thing ticked me off, so I'll show you. Alright, so here's the bipod. It's an Accutac BR4 QD. BR stands for bench rest, and the QD is the quick detach. There was another model I was looking at, but it was a little bit bigger, and I mostly shoot from the bench and prone, and this is just, it's the perfect size. It's right around 6 inches. But my issue is these feet, these rubber feet. I was shooting and shooting and shooting, and then I looked down, and this was unscrewed, I don't know, maybe 1/2 inch on this side only. So I screwed it back up, shoot, 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 and it was kept coming loose. So I'm either gonna get some spiked feet for it, or maybe just Loctite them in there, because I don't think they it's meant to get taller and smaller. I don't think they come out. But anyways, hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave me a message, comment. If you like my videos and want to keep following my progress, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And there's Murphy one last time. He's tired.